Hi guys, and welcome to Adriano's Classic Garage. Today I want to talk to you about something that maybe not all of you know, which is my Mercedes 190 has a natural gas conversion that runs like crap. I actually went to a mechanic for these natural gas systems, but they were pretty sketchy and I didn't trust them, and trust is super important with mechanics. Of course I went online and checked out the forums, so I know a little tiny bit. The basics are: you have a cap under the hood where you refill your tank. The tank needs to be huge because 1 kilogram of natural gas equals 6 liters in the tank, and it gives you the power of 1.5 liters of petrol, roughly. So we have a 95 liter tank, which is roughly like a 24 liter tank of petrol. From the tank, we have another line going back to the front, to the heart of our problems, the pressure reducer. The pressure reducer does a very important thing. It takes the pressure of 220 bar from the tank and reduces it to 1.5 to 2 bar, which is what we need for the engine to run properly. Pressure reducers come in different shapes. On ours, we have a screw on top that is used to adjust the air and fuel mixture, and we have another one in the front, which is the one we have to focus on because it's the idle screw. So let's go back to the field and let's touch that screw. First of all, we have to warm up the engine. So let's start it with petrol. As you guys can hear, smooth as ever on petrol. It actually gets better the more I drive it. The switch to go from petrol to gas is hidden here under the dashboard, and you just switch it, and then it's gonna show you how much gas is in the tank. When the light stops blinking, it means that the engine is running on natural gas. Let's give it a little bit of gas. Here it is. And it died. Damn! Worse than expected. This is on natural gas. As you can see, it's not very powerful. It doesn't want to idle either. This is worse than usual. Let's see if we can do something about it. This one should be the idle screw, so let's see if it's better or worse. Seems worse to me. Yeah, worse. Again. And let's see. Then if it stays on, we can probably touch the screw while it's on and see if it gets better. See, on petrol the idle is at 700 RPM, and that's what we want to accomplish with the natural gas as well. It doesn't switch if you don't accelerate, that's why I'm doing that. Now it switched. Slightly better maybe, I don't know, it's still terrible. Still terrible, but it stays on. Let's touch the screw a little more. Well, it's on, let's try. Can you hear? Okay, let's see what's that. Let's see what's what. That's 500, but probably if I turn the lights on, yeah, it's gonna be terrible again. Not good enough for me. Didn't seem to make a lot of difference to touch it a lot. I mean, it's all out almost. See? I'm still doing something. And now it's dying. Don't die on me. It's accelerating. Even more. It's not instantaneous actually, so it's kind of difficult. Let's see what this is. I don't know. I'm not sure. It sounds not good enough, but check this out, guys. It might be good enough. Let's see how it goes. Seems alright. This might be the easiest fix in the world. I'm glad I didn't go to the mechanic shop after all. The car idles perfectly fine now, and it's perfectly usable. But I'm not gonna tell you how the test drive went, because I think we need a more scientific approach, and I'm going to analyze the performance loss against petrol in the next video, where we are gonna try to tune the engine for the best performance with natural gas. So don't miss the next video, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon. Bye guys.